Hello and welcome back to the shop here. Today we're going to be testing and reviewing these pressure washer hoses from Ufixed. These are high-end hoses. They're not cheap hoses. They're good hoses. They're made with synthetic rubber jacket over a steel braided wire. It's going to hold up really well. It's really durable. It's kink resistant. They don't tangle very easy. They're easy to unwind. We're going to test these out to see how they hold up. We're going to be rough on them because we just want to know if this is going to hold up or not. If it's not, we're going to find out. These hoses will handle up to a 4,000 psi pressure washer pretty easily. The bursting limit on these are 16,000 psi. So it takes quite a bit to burst one of these. It'll also handle heated water to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. These hoses happen to be 3/8 hoses. This one is a 25 foot. This one is a 50 foot hose. We're going to test both of these out here on the pressure washer here in just a second. I've used several of these hoses. They hold up really well. I've got an older one around here that I've been using for a long time that we're going to take off and put one of these new ones on just so we can test it. You can just look at this and tell that they're making it right. They're not trying to make a cheap hose that's not going to hold up. This hose is made really well. I'm impressed with how it looks and feels and how well it's made. I mean, it's just a really solid hose. Mark free. They don't leave marks across your floor and they don't kink up. Whenever you buy a pressure washer, the hoses that these come with are usually lower quality hoses, so they can get that unit sold cheaper. They're trying to sell it as cheap as they can, so they're not going to put one of these high-end hoses on it. But whenever you wear out that hose, it starts leaking or it starts kinking up. It's not going to take long. You're going to want to buy something better. Get you one of these high-end hoses. Just be sure and check your specs or check your old hose. Order the equivalent size. If you're running 1/4 inch, that's what you want to order. These two hoses today that we're testing is 3/8. One's a 25 foot, one's a 50 foot. That's what I run out here on my pressure washer. I have an electric pressure washer on the side of the building. The only difference is I have an electric motor and some of them have gasoline engines. It's the same pump. Nothing's different, but that's what we're going to be testing it with because that's what we have here handy. But whether you're running a gasoline pressure washer or electric pressure washer, we still have the same issue with the hoses kinking and lasting very long, and they get tangled up and people run over and step on them and tear them up. So if you need a good hose, just look at the links down below. It'll take you to the Ufixed store on Amazon. These folks are really easy to deal with, nice people. They have other products, pressure related items, hoses, fittings, different stuff like that. They don't sell cheap junk. They sell good stuff. So if that's what you're looking for, check these guys out. Okay, look at old Marcel up here washing this lawnmower. He's not very careful with the pressure washer hose. He runs over it, he steps on it, he throws it down, he's just rough with it. He don't take care of stuff like most people that didn't have to buy it. They just don't take care of it. So you know if this hose will stand up to Marcel's abuse, you know it's going to handle your needs at home. But I can tell you after all these tests that he did, these hoses held up very well. They're still in use right now. It's hard to find good help.